Hey, Usain, why you keep on doing this, man? Hey, real talk, I think Usain Bolt just compete against himself, innit? Nobody can't beat Bolt, man. I think only Bolt can beat himself. Okay.
Rio 2016, Usain Bolt, I gotta have a good time. Nobody can first him over the line. Yo, Usain, what's your remedy? They wanna know where you get all of your energy. Yeah, Gatlin, what you thinking? You can't beat Bolt, well on, what a sin thing. Now make the boss get mean. Easy, you look yourself, Bill Seed. Okay, Usain only care about the fans them. So everybody show me the Bolt hands them. These runners try till them weak. Them can't beat Bolt all when them asleep. Damn, Usain's getting stronger. Why for them the finish line getting longer? The Pumas getting faster. Bolt faster than lightning and thunder. Jog, while them a kill up themselves, Usain Bolt does a jog. Towards the finishing line, Usain Bolt does a jog. Usain Bolt bring the vibe, everybody do the jog. The fastest one alive, everybody. Usain Bolt never run lazy. When him a run the whole stadium, I go crazy. Natural food in the system. No to jog, so you'll never be a victim. Beating Bolt, that's a no-no. Better y'all quit or pull a no-show. Turn on the GoPro. With his fans, Bolt, I take a bag of photo. If Usain Bolt ain't running, then nobody now stay. Yes, allow that. Back of sprinters that compete, but them now win a gold medal. Waste man. Them can't beat VC, much less we try run left Shelly on. Hey, Rio 2016, watch Usain Bolt win every race, then start to it. Jog. While them a kill up themselves, Usain Bolt does a jog. Towards the finishing line, Usain Bolt does a jog. Usain Bolt bring the vibe, everybody do the jog. The fastest one alive. Rio 2016, Usain Bolt, I gotta have a good time. Nobody can first him over the line. Yo, Usain, what's your remedy? They wanna know where you get all of your energy. Yeah, Gatlin, what you thinking? You can't beat Bolt, well on, what a sin thing. Now make the boss get mean. Easy, you look yourself, Bill Seed. Okay, Usain only care about the fans them. So everybody show me the Bolt hands them. These runners try till them weak. Them can't beat Bolt all when them asleep. Damn, Usain's getting stronger. Why for them the finish line getting longer? The Pumas getting faster. Bolt faster than lightning and thunder. Jog. While them a kill up themselves, Usain Bolt does a jog. Towards the finishing line, Usain Bolt does a jog. Usain Bolt bring the vibe, everybody do the jog. The fastest one alive, everybody do.